what's up mga kauli? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng ina-upload mga videos. By the way, I would like to thank you to all subscribers, viewers, and also commenters that can appreciate my video. By the way, subscribe and comment below kung you have a suggestion to help my video to improve. So, by the way, maghanap po tayo ng pera through farming. So, by the way, mag-ano po ako ng aking outfit. So, keeping watching. Bye!
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのもっともう戻れなくたって忘れないで
So ngayon, pupunta na po tayo sa destination natin.
Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Cause we gon' fight, yeah, we gon' fight. Believe we gon' fight, fight for our right to love, yeah. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Nobody wanna see us together, nobody thought we'd last forever. I feel them hoping and praying things between us don't get better. Man steady coming after you, woman steady coming after me. Seems like everybody wanna go for self and don't wanna respect boundaries. Telling you all those lies just to get on your side, but I must admit there was a couple secrets I held inside. Just know that I tried to always apologize. I'ma have you first, always in my heart to keep you satisfied. Nobody wants to see us together, but it don't matter, no. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Cause we gon' fight, yeah, we gon' fight. Believe we gon' fight, fight for our right to love, yeah. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Got every right to wanna leave, got every right to wanna go, got every right to hit the road and never talk to me no more. You don't even have to call, even check for me at all. Cause the way I've been acting lately has been off the wall. Especially to
Dito na po ako sa destination na sinasabi ko. Ito na po yun siya.
Ganda dito! Mamagda ang ganda!
So mga kauling, ito po yung mga kasama ko. Sa panagbubulot po kami ng punla. Tsaka ganito rin po kami kumain kapag tanghalian na po. So ngayon po, nakatanghalian na po ako. Kaya po, mag-start na po ako magbunot. Kaya po, let's go po. Sarak-sarak.
You'll be my sun across 2 days. A train will carry to the right place. Railway station dream. And I want you to be my queen. To be my queen. Fire and kisses on your neck. So you just need.
Ganito lang po yung nagbubulot sa amin dito. Kailangan po, 2 pong kamay yung gagamitin mo.
What's a place where comes the light? You'll be my sun across 2 days. A train will carry to the right place. Railway station dream. And I want you to be my queen. To be my queen. Fire and kisses on your neck. So you just need to make a step to take my hand and get on train. When dreams come true, so won't you stay? There's moon and sounds of my guitar, and all my problems are so far away from me, and I don't care. I see that station over there, railway station dream, and I want you to be my queen. Let's sing as loud as we can.
At ganito lang po magwaswas. Kailangan po siya tanggalin yung putik ng puno ng punla. Puno ng punla.
Every time that I was here, I thought that you were somewhere near, but now I know that it's not right. So pack the things and leave behind the mess you did last summer night. Let's go to a place where comes the light. You'll be my sun across 2 days. A train will carry to the right place. Railway station dream, and I want you to be my queen. To be my queen. is
And continue lang po yung mga ginagawa kapag mag-ano. Then ano po, i-add nyo lang po doon. Then makakatali na po kayo. Yan po, nakaisang tali na po tayo. By the way, yung ginagamit ko pong pantali dito is ano po siya? Buri po siya ginagamit. Buri po. Yung bago pa lang po siya magabuka yung dahon niya. Yun po, kinukuha po namin yun para po gawing panali. Tapos tinitiray-tiray po. Tinitiray sa Tagalog po. Sa Tagalog po, hinahati-hati po siya para dumamay po yung mga gawing panali na katulad ng ganito. Ito po kalaki is halagang 2 po ito. Kaya po, titignan po natin sa kalahating araw po kung ilan po yung mabunot kong ganito po. Na pula po. Kaya, see you po later. Finally! Natapos na rin mga kauling. Mga kauling, naka 50 po ako sa kalahating araw. Nakikita nyo naman po at you can see. Kanina po aninis-linis ko, ngayon po ang dumi-dumi ko na. Kita-kita lang po tayo sa mga susunod na videos. See you mga kauli!